Hi there! In this video, I'll be unboxing the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. My previous watch broke, and after doing a bit of research, I decided to go with this one. Opening it up, inside we get the watch itself, the charging cable, and the user manual. Look at this user manual. It is thick. It has tons of languages and a lot of words. So, yeah, I'm definitely not reading it. Here is the charging cable. It's a magnetic attaching charger, and you will need to supply your own charging brick because it doesn't come with one in the box. Here is the watch itself. It feels really good in hand, and the band is so nice and soft. Powering it on for the first time, the screen looks great. It's an AMOLED display and it immediately prompts you to set it up with the app, but I'm not going to do that right now. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to attach a charging cable. Because it's magnetic, it just snaps right into place. You could literally do it blindfolded. Anyway, this is just an unboxing. But I've actually been using this watch for a week now and I haven't had to charge it once. It boasts an 18-day battery life and so far, the step tracking and notifications work great. Absolutely no complaints. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.